kind of typical 21-15-9 workout coming for you on Saturday, but it's going to take a little bit longer than your normal 21-15-9. So it's going to be 21 slam ball cluster tosses, or with a kettlebell or a barbell, you would do a cluster, so a squat clean thruster. We'll go over what that is once we get to there. 21 V-ups, and then 21 burpees over whichever object you're using. So if you're using the kettlebell, you're going to jump over the kettlebell. If you're using the slam ball, you're going to jump over the slam ball. So remember with that, you don't have to come to full extension on your burpees. Then 15, 15, 15, 9, 9, 9. So this is for time. Our warm-up starts out with 5 inchworms. So just as a reminder, hips locked out, knees locked out, hinging at the hips, walking those hands out, push up at the bottom, and walking those hands back. Trying to stay long in the legs as long as possible. 5 inchworms. And then 10 jump squats. So slow descent, aggressive out. Slow descent, aggressive out. 10 jump squats. 15 mountain climbers. Shoulders stacked over top of our wrists. Knees coming up to our elbows or thereabouts. 2 rounds of that to get you started. And then a little bit of a primer for the workout. So whatever object you're going to use, we're going to go through this 4-stage thing. So it's going to be 5 deadlifts. So with the sandbag or the med ball or odd object, it would be 5 deadlifts. So say I just did 5. 5 power cleans. 5 shoulder to overhead. And then 5 squats. You can go shoulder squats with these if you want. You go goblet squat, because that's more like a Zercher squat. Don't care how you do that. Whew, that'll get you spicy. 2 rounds of that just to get you kind of warmed up before we get started. Our movement, again, with the slam ball, it's going to look like this. So it's going to be a squat, clean, and then just a toss. I don't care how high it goes. I just want it to be the same movement, so like we're doing a cluster. So I can't stop here and then extend my arms. So it's going to be, that's 1, okay? If we were to do that, see, kettlebell over here. Couple of different ways to do that with a kettlebell. If you have a lighter kettlebell, I'd go single side, so always from the bottom, right overhead. If the kettlebell is heavier, that'll be our sumo one. So obviously no toss with the kettlebell, unless it's your own, then do whatever you want with it. Same thing with a dumbbell, same thing with a barbell if you wanted to use those. Then we're going to go burpee over, the next one is the V-ups. So 21 V-ups, just as a reminder, our shoulders and legs come off the ground, so I'm not looking to bring my head way up. It's here. First modification for that is just to bend our knees in. And then final modification is bring our hands in. For our V-ups. So 21 of those, and then 21 burpees over your object. Chest to the ground, pop up, oh, back down. Every time you jump over the object, it constitutes as 1. Okay? Then 15, 15, 15, 9, 9, 9. Okay? This workout's gonna kind of feel like a chipper. Like 21 slam ball thrusters, 21 clusters, whatnot is gonna be relatively heavy. And relatively long. Same thing with the 21 burpees. So it should be, let's see, 12 minutes, maybe longer. It really is going to depend on what you have for weight, to be totally honest. So the reason I'm saying that, a bird just ran into the window. The reason I'm saying that is don't go out real hot on that set of 21 so that you end up staring at the ball or staring at the ground when you get to the 15s, okay? See you guys soon. Hopefully you can get outside to do this workout. It's supposed to be a really nice day. You can bring whatever you want. I mean, you might look a little weird with a barbell at a park, but I've done it, so whatever. Hopefully you guys can get outside, get some sun, get some fitness in, and then enjoy your weekend. Talk to you guys soon.